Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 35. Which of the following is a type of pollution? A. Smoke, B. Sewage, C. Refuse, D. Noise, and E. Feces. Now, first of all, what is pollution? Pollution simply refers to as the contamination of our environment or surrounding, making it unfit for man's survival. Now, this is just the basic definition of pollution. Now, we have several types of pollution depending on the area of the environment where this pollution affects, because we have the various areas on the environment includes the air, which is the atmosphere, the water, that's water bodies, the land, and also now this can also be written as air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, or what you call soil pollution. Then included is the noise pollution, because noise pollution is a disturbance. It affects the environment. Now, these are the various types of pollution we have. But now we say contamination. Pollution is the contamination of the environment. That is, when we say contamination of the environment, it refers to the release of harmful substances, toxic substances into the environment. Now, these harmful substances that are released into the environment, which causes pollution, are what we call pollutants. That refers to as pollutants. Examples include the smoke that affects that causes air pollution, sewage that causes water pollution, refuse that causes soil or land pollution. Now, if you look at the options here, now you see that option D, noise, is a type of pollution, but the other options here, which is smoke, sewage, refuse, and feces, are all pollutants. And like I said, pollutants are the harmful substances that causes pollution, but the type of pollution here is the noise pollution. So the answer to this question is option D, noise pollution. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.